Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. In this video, we explore a variety of adorable leather shoe designed for baby girls that combine style and comfort. From classic shoes with soft pastel colors to cute shoes adorned with delicate bows, you will find plenty of inspirations for your little one's footwear collection. We showcase shoe with intricate embroidery, floral essence, and charming animal motifs, all crafted for high quality leather for durability and flexibility. Whether you're looking for shoes for a special occasion or everyday wear, those designs are perfect for keeping your baby's feet comfortable and stylish. Watch till the end for some ideas on how to customize baby leather shoes with unique embellishments. As we wrapped up this video, I want to say a huge thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are always updated on my latest uploads. I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for more exciting content and see you in the next video.